I'm gonna come out of this looking like Bambi's mom and not at the beginning of the video. So hello, welcome back to HISSYFIT. My name is Lauren, and if you're wondering why I look like a balding prepubescent, I sat down today with intention of shooting a Snapchat makeup tutorial because according to the last 3 years, that's the thing to do. I like to be in with the crowd, with the cool kids. Can't you tell? But you see, I do not personally affiliate with the Snapchat, but I thought I would make the sacrifice for you and get it so that I could create a makeup look off of it. You see all the filters, they failed me. Oh no, I hate this one. Oh, stop it. This is just hearts.
Now I'm gonna have. This is just my face. This is just me looking adorable. Oh, now I'm brunette. But only in the front.
Oh, this one is inappropriate. Oh.
This one's just me and a dog. I already have that.
So yeah, I tried. Which brings us to a dilemma that I have nothing. But like I said, this whole Snapchat makeup thing has been happening for a while, especially amongst the YouTubes. So instead today, I'm just gonna follow one of those. Quality. But before we get started, make sure that you like this video and subscribe because I've obviously lived a struggle. Don't worry, I hate myself more than you ever will. So let's find a video. Ooh, we got some butterflies. We got some flower crown. We got some more flower crowns, some more butterflies. Apparently that is where the money is at. Ooh, there's a deer one. Could be an excellent deer. And it's from Glamour, so that's official, right? What? We are 17 seconds in, and this girl has a full face of makeup on. Oh, the internet. It's like you think I know what I'm doing. Well, there's one right below it. Got a cool ad. Ooh. Okay. So, here's the thing. I'm never gonna look like this. But we're gonna try! So I'm going to be following Stephanie Suero. I apologize if I'm blatantly missaying that. Okay, so looks like we are starting off with some foundation. Alright. Do I look like you yet? Followed up by a healthy amount of concealer. Oh my god, everywhere. Hold on. I need to follow the map. Man, if I'm already this bad at this, maybe it was a sign from the Snapchat gods. Like, they just knew I was gonna try and do this today, and all the people on Snapchat's team were just like, no, you're not making us look this dumb. I don't know why I chose a tutorial that doesn't have words, but you're doing a great job, sweetie, a great job. Okay, now she's taken a much darker color and put it all over my whole face. Cool, 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 cool. That is a step I can do.
And although he started off well.
Oh god. Okay, I just look dirty. Perfect. I'm just a deer that loves tromping around in the wilderness. Hey. Now it appears she is taking a smaller brush. Sculpt in the nose. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Stephanie. Okay, looks like she's continuing this color over here. You have a lot more eye space than I do. Count your blessings, my dude. Count your eye space blessings. She is taking something similar to this on a brush similar to none of the brushes I have. Alright, and then she is setting the color. And now it appears things have gotten very, very fancy very fast. Oh my god. With this little baby brush, I am going to sculpt out an entire masterpiece just like that. Yep, alright, slam bam, thank you ma'am. You're welcome. You know, we all have our talents. Mine is not this. Oh, that came out so crooked. I look like Satan! Like, part of me feels like, hey, maybe you should try that again. And then part of me feels like, we're in this deep. Whatever. I don't think deers are supposed to have, like, divots. Neither this deep nor this sideways. I don't know why we have me try things. I really don't. Like, who thought this was a good idea? Things. We're gonna do one of those. One of these. Bambi. Next, it appears like we should just be taking highlighter, and putting it everywhere, which really does not seem like something a deer should be doing, but I'm not gonna argue. Man, getting this out of my nose ring later is gonna be so fun. Oh, I do my mouth too? Okay, I think the last step now is to put a bunch of white dots all over my face. Man, of all the times to need a stash of cocaine, which would make this whole video make a lot more sense. I'm just going to use this concealer from before. Hey, at least I can do this part. Oh, shouldn't put any on the chin. Just kidding. All right, now it just looks like mascara, and this whole thing should suddenly come together.
Yeah, pretty bad at hunting deer.
Yeah, mine didn't turn out quite as good. Hey, you're welcome. Hopefully you still enjoyed this anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you think I should keep my stupid Snapchat app. And also let me know what filter is your favorite. And I promise I'll never try it and give you nightmares again. Yeah, that's everything for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I am in desperate need to go wash this all off my face, so until next time, ta-ta!